Hi, my name is Peter Hohl. I'm from company Zünd in Switzerland. I'm here on the CAMX show to talk workflow. And that's what we actually show here on our G3 machine. We basically explain to our customers how they can streamline their manufacturing processes using our products. That means, or that has to do with digitalization of the data stream and automation of the material flow. Here, a robot workflow that is automatically unloading cut parts and sorts the cut parts into different bins. Another workflow uses job information, or we call it also metadata, that we receive from customers' ERP system and that we print on self-adhesive labels, which are then applied to individual cut parts by the operator. So this is a workflow that shows the marking capabilities that we have, and it also shows how we streamline the data flow from ERP system through to the workflow. What is currently running on the machine is our heat sealing module. That is a third workflow, which is about cut and seal of dry fabrics. The fabric is a thermoplastic fabric, a glass fiber, polypropylene combination. And first step is that we seal the material, or we weld the material, and then we cut through the welded area with our motor-driven tool. This is very helpful because it stops fraying along the cut edge, and this eases logistics downstream after the cutting process is completed. It's even a condition if you like to unload this dry fabric cut parts with a robot, fully automatic. With heat sealing module, we were able to win the this year award in equipment, process and manufacturing. So we are very proud having received that trophy yesterday, and this will become a very nice spot at the headquarters of Zünd in Switzerland.
What kind of efficiency gains can companies expect to achieve? How much does it really help?
It certainly helps a lot. It also, of course, depends on the workflow. It depends on materials. The composite market, of course, is using a wide variety of materials, and the Zünd cutter is certainly perfect to deal with a wide variety of materials thanks to its modular design, thanks to its versatility. In the end, it's not only about cutting, it's about integrating the cutter into a workflow, and that of course is creating in the end a large benefit. How that is, it depends from customer, or differs from customer to customer, from situation to situation, but I can promise that with our products, customers can really increase the overall output and workflow efficiency.
And this robot that you have here, this is a system you've developed in-house, but you work with other automation partners as well, correct?
We have open interfaces. The Zünd cutter can be driven different software products, and of course we can combine it with different automation equipment. So in that sense we are open. We don't want to be proprietary because our customers have different situation on the workflow, different preferences, specifically with the robot. Some want to have an KUKA, the others want to have an ABB, so we are open for that. We also have collaboration partners when it comes to requests for automated kitting. That includes digital cutting, sorting and even automated sequencing. For that we have industrial partners ready that team up with us to present the right solution for the customer in the end.
And Zünd is a Swiss company, but you operate globally.
Zünd is a family-owned Swiss company. with about 500 employees worldwide. We run 11 subsidiaries, and we work together with more than 60 individual distributors that help us to supply machines to about 100 countries worldwide. So we have a big footprint, and we work every day hard to make that footprint larger. But we stand for Swiss quality, we stand for partnership, reliability, and in the end also for sustainability, which is specifically for our owners very important.
Good.
Thank you very much.